Want to start freelancing? In this video, I'll show you how to create a free Upwork account step by step. First, open Google and type Upwork in the search bar. Click on the first link that appears. On the home page, you'll see two options: login and sign up. Since we're creating a new account, click sign up. Now, you'll get two choices: sign up with Google or sign up with Apple. If you don't have those, you can also enter your email manually, since I already have a Google account. I'll continue with Google. Select your Gmail from the list and click on it. Next, Upwork will ask, are you a client or a freelancer? Since we want to work and earn money, choose I'm a freelancer. Fill in your first name, last name, and country. Click continue. That's it. Your free Upwork account is now created, and you're ready to start freelancing.